the 9, the 215, you know. So identify where your x is. Your x is here. Right? Then your y is right here. So we are saying find the bearing of x from where? From y. So in short, you are saying you are there's what you call reconciliation, right? Yes, you are coming back together with your x. So what you are saying is that find the bearing of, you know, x from where? From y. Now, where is y? Y is here. So you are moving away from y, from those reasons or excuses you are giving. You are moving away from that so that you go to this gentleman here, your x, you know. So we are moving now from here, this y, this line here. You put your compass at the y, then move away from him. Yeah? Your new boyfriend. Move away from him. Then you move, look, you're going to move all the way from your new boyfriend to your ex. But here you are. You catch? So the angle we're talking about this particular angle. Look at it. Now look, what you're seeing here is that in this particular angle, we already have a 41. 41. So what concept are you going to use? What concept are you going to use? What do you think is the concept you're going to use here? What do you think? What do you think is the concept you're going to use? That's very true, so what? Think. So what you do here is this, look. You say, okay, for me to know this portion of the angle here, what I'll do is, I'll say, I need to know this particular angle. Might be like that. So that, you know, if you know this angle here, you know this angle here, it's easy actually. Because we're going to use this angle all the way from here to here is 215. So you remove it from 360 so that you know this angle catch. Then from there, it will be now the concept of adding this angle here plus this angle so that they give you 180. Again, you're going to remove this from 180 so that you know this angle. After which you add this angle plus 41, and that's the answer. You get? So let's get started now. So we're saying, look, the bearing of x from y, it will be, first thing that we need to do is to find this particular angle. We need to find this particular angle. So we'll say, look, we'll say solutions. So first thing, find this particular angle here. So it will be 360 degrees take away the 215. What we have is, if you remove the 215, 145. 140? Is it 145? Yes. 145. So this one here is 145. Take note. This is 145. If this is 145, what do you think would this angle be? Right here. You remove this from 180, isn't it? Mm-hmm. We now remove this 145 from 180 so that we know this particular angle. And of course, we're going to say, you know, we're going to say 180 take away 145. What do we get, guys? We're just getting 35. So this angle here, this small angle right here is actually 35. Are we seeing? Now remember, the question is, find the bearing of x from y. So this angle here. So then you say, okay, this angle will be 35 plus 41. What's the answer there, please? 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now remember, it's the bearing. So you add a 0 where? In front. And of course, this is your answer. Correct? So beautiful, right? P from x. P from x. From x, we put a compass. So a compass will be right at x here. Now we're moving from x to where? P, to line PX. Observe. So you rotate clockwise until here. You get? Yes. Observe how curious this question is. Now look, we're asked to find this particular angle from here all the way up here. It's just now the matter of removing or actually knowing this particular angle. When you know this angle, you subtract from 3C. That's the idea. Now look, we're going to appreciate the concept of, you know, parallel lines, or supplementary angles, isn't it?
Yes.
This angle from here to here is 159. From here to here is 159. So this angle 159 plus any angle here, these two guys will give you 180, isn't it, guys? Okay? So find this angle first. So what you could do here, in case for the case of those guys who are not, conversant to this, we say x. This x here is added to 150. 9. We're going to get 180, so that we find what this x actually is here. So say x equals to 180 take away 159. The difference, what's the difference, guys? This is 7, 10 take away 9 is 1, 7 take away 5 is 2. You see? So this angle here is 21. Now that we know to say this angle x is actually 21, it's now just a matter of subtracting it from 360. Then our working will be 360 degrees, remove the 21. It will be this angle here. Are we seeing? Of course, what are you going to get? What are we getting here? 339 as your solution. Simple, right? Simple, right? Yeah, don't say no.